Hi Domain, Janine Allis here. Welcome to my Noosa Rainforest Retreat. Come and have a look. For me, houses are never about what they are, what they do. Houses for me are always about how it makes me feel. I have a big family of 4 kids. The house is very much designed into 2 areas. So this is the games, pool area. Come and have a look at the bedrooms. There's 3 bedrooms in this pod, which are all divided by doors. So in actual fact, you can have it all open and they can have a party, or they can have it all closed. But let's walk through. So you've got a queen size. These are inbuilt bunk beds. And they're queen bunk beds. So lots of space for everyone, really designed for a growing family. So you've got a king, a queen, and 4 queens in here. It's also got a mirror TV here. So after a long day at the beach, if the kids just want to chill and watch some TV, they can. This is the second bathroom in this area. It's a very relaxed space. And that's the whole point, is not to be ostentatious, to be relaxed. You know, it's a rainforest retreat. You can tell I like my waves. Come and have a look at the balcony. It's very cool. A nice, beautiful area where you can catch the sun and you actually overlook the pool. When the pool is very retro, the pool is very blue, green and funky. And the best thing about the pool is the spa, because I don't know about you, but I tell my kids that whatever's said in the spa stays in the spa. So this whole area in this section is completely surrounded by fly wire. After this, there is no bugs, no leaves. The swimming pool is under this beautiful canopy, which is basically what they use for orchards. It enables you to just really enjoy the outdoors without the bugs. The master pod is broken into 3 areas. The first area is called the bird cage. So it's a great space. It has this massive ceiling. As you sit down, you play board games. It's just a great connection area. That leads into the grand room. The grand room, once again, you'll see is completely and utterly covered with fly wire with a beautiful chandelier in the middle. Here is one of my favourite places in the house where we hang out and talk, have a glass of wine, have a chat in front of the open fire. This is just my happy place. And you know, there's always activity happening. And that leads into this area, which is the master pod. The whole house is really timber, concrete. Have a look around, there's timber everywhere. So it's all trying to use already natural materials to make it one with the rainforest, which is, you know, got this beautiful backdrop. It's like the most perfect piece of art. I like little quirky things, including my hippo. Just like things that make me smile, and he's made me smile. This is a really simple kitchen, but all the action goes into the dirty kitchen, and that's where you got all your appliances and all the stuff that gets dirty. So again, with kids, they can come, make a mess, and this area always stays, you know, relatively okay. Come and have a look at my favourite room. What I love about it is the whole wall basically opens up, and you've got this mesh once again that is absolutely seamless, but you still feel like you're part of the beautiful national park. And you know, who doesn't love a 4-poster bed? I love that I can shower and bathe looking into nature. So the bathroom itself has been designed for, first of all, to take all my wetsuits, but also to enable me to soak in the bath, but really feel like you're amongst the trees. So this is by miles my favourite room. And once again, another room that has no walls. But I must admit, these curtains, they're like a chambray. They're just stunning. Through here, again, super practical. You walk through here and you've got a separate laundry area. Then this leads into another open area, which is sort of, again, another hangout. But once again, a door that completely opens up to really bring the outside in. What you'll find with this house is all these hidden rooms. So this is another room. This is the bathroom that services that bedroom. And so it's very pink. We've got the retro 70 feel happening. This is another bedroom. What I like about this bedroom is that it opens up to the bird cage. We've got these beautiful lampshades as well as this crisscross effect, but equally you're seeing the national park from this room as well. And these are two massive doors that just open up again, that gives that really open feel. This house particularly is all about family, and it's a house that's designed to gather my family together for us to really connect. So it's not a fancy pants sort of blingy type house. It's very down to earth and it's very in line with the rainforest.